In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to Hostinger hosting. If you're ready to get started, let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, we will begin by navigating to Hostinger's hPanel. This is the control panel where you manage all your hosting services with Hostinger. To get started, go ahead and log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, look for the tab labeled Domains. This is usually located in the main dashboard area of your Hostinger hPanel. Clicking on Domains takes you to the page where you can manage all your registered domains. On this page, you'll see all the domains linked to your account. Find the one you want to connect to Namecheap and click on Manage. At this point, you'll have access to various settings related to this domain. Make sure to look for an option called Domain Lock. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized domain transfers. For transferring, we need to disable this feature. Take a moment to turn off domain lock for this process. This is a crucial step because failing to turn off domain lock could prevent a successful domain transfer. Next, copy your domain. Simply highlight the domain name, right-click, and select Copy or press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. With your domain copied, it's time to navigate over to Namecheap. Open a new tab in your browser and go to the Namecheap website. Once on Namecheap, you want to look for the Domain Transfer option. It is typically found in the Domain Management section. Click this to start the transfer process. You're now on the Domain Transfer page. Here's where you'll paste your domain name. Simply click within the box, right-click, and select Paste or press Ctrl+V. This pasting action will insert your domain, making it ready for confirmation. Once your domain is correctly placed in the box, check over everything to ensure accuracy before proceeding. The final step is simple and straightforward. You'll notice a button labeled Transfer. Go ahead and click this button. By doing so, you're initiating the transfer process of your domain from Hostinger to Namecheap. Give it some time, as transfers may take a little while, depending on various factors like domain registrar policies and verification processes. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to link your Namecheap domain to your Hostinger hosting. Always make sure to double check each step to avoid any hitches. I hope this guide made the process easy for you to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!